Understanding Hiccup, How to Train Your Dragon 3. The first film, Hiccup learned to stick up for himself, and in the second, he learned about the weight of adulthood. In the third film, Hiccup has nearly become a fully grown adult. He is now the leader of his village, and even faces the idea of marriage. But it is here where Hiccup faces the hardest challenge of growing up. Learning to let go. See, all the hardships that Hiccup has gone through in the past films has been done with his best friend Toothless. He's used to growing up with him, making him feel like he's nothing without his dragon. But see, Toothless didn't make Hiccup become the man that he is today. He simply made it easier. Toothless is happy, and so is Hiccup. Letting go isn't easy, but it's for the better. The things of our past might no longer be here, but the memories are timeless, and allows for new memories. After a decade-long trilogy, both Hiccup and the little boy watching the first film in the movie theaters have fully grown up. And that's how to train your dragon.